Well, hello, everybody. I've just recently hit 20 subscribers, and what I want to do is make a quick 20 subscribers special by doing 20 barrel rolls, and I see 33. So, this is one of the fast airplanes. Oh, yeah, sorry, my bird is mad at me. I didn't give him any. Hey, no. Sorry, I didn't give him any extra treats today, so he's mad. Anyways, I'm showing you this. You want to make it difficult. Yes, we know you're mad, bud. Now, let's start our first 20 barrel rolls. Let's get doing this. Reducing altitude before we start. Still, the even small amount of 20 subscribers really helps support, and it gives me some more motivation. So, let's do a barrel. Let's get to these smart ones before we do all of them at once. So let's get going fast. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, let's switch it to Super 3. It's got some powerful engines. The Saturn's pretty awesome. We are just breaking the sound barrier. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how many I had. 6. What I had, which had time to start. 7, 8, 9, 10 is what I had last week to finish. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, almost there, 18, 19, that's where we stood for a while, and now we are at 20. Thank you to whoever subscribed most recently. I have to thank you a lot. Let's pull back over and fail successfully during landing. Because that appears to be what I'm known for. Well, not even really known, but still. Also, I will be able to give my bird a little bit more treats after this. Don't worry, I'm not starving him. He's got plenty of food. He's just mad. Anyways, we're start slowing down now ish. But yeah, thank you so much for all of the support. Really needed for just helping me keep up these videos. If you have any ideas, please put them in the comments because I got no idea. But again, it doesn't have to be anything special because this literally was on there for no reason. So that's my rationale there. If you want me to do any other game modes like naval battles or tanks, whatever the heck you want me to do, then I will be happy to do that. But yeah, we are heading closer to the airfield. Let's slow down. I'm just gonna cut throttle completely. I think we need too much more speed now. Anyways, I think I should be able to pull off a parry landing sometime in the future. So if we can get this one to, oh, I'm gonna be really presumptuous, but I'm gonna, if this gets to 50 views, or if it doesn't get to 50 and it gets to 5 likes, then I will do an aircraft carrier landing, because I suck at those and probably to fail in the first place, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, it's pretty close when we approach. Fine air brakes always work so much better. Alright, we're getting close. We're still going a little bit fast, and there's still just a little bit more before we even touch down. The wheels. Alright. Shoot, alright. I forgot that was with this. I'm not even going to make it past anymore. Well, I am going to go past. Yep. Well. I can just take that off with them. We got some good engines. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and just give me some more support if you want some more of this. But I will see you in the next episode, in which I know I said I was going to do tanks, but now I have tanks. Oh, Jesus, minus wind up.
Well, here's that bird that we've been talking about. Yeah.